Hey guys, it's Mutershan. Welcome to another video. I gotta do this. I gotta charge my Tesla, but I am protected, and as you can see, it's completely empty. There was one Tesla Model 3, it just left, and this is a mall. It's called Vaughan Mills Mall here in Ontario, and it's empty. There's literally nobody here, and yeah, I'm charging my car. Yes, by the way, this I did to my car. Don't comment on it. I was so bored that I want to do something. I just grabbed the tape and just went over it. It's not perfect. It's not even close to being perfect. You can see it's all everywhere, but it's just a little Tron look that I was going for. But anyways, and I also put this shiny, like it will shine in the, if you shine a light at it. So it's a reflective tape, the black tape that I put on. So, but yeah, that's a little update that I want to like give you guys about this situation that's going on. It's really dangerous. I would highly suggest you guys stay in house unless you gotta do something like important. For example, I gotta go get some supplies, and so I was like, why not just charge the car? I don't have the luxury of charging my car in my house, so I live in an apartment, so I gotta come to a supercharger to charge, just like any other cars, like even gas cars. They need to go get some gas. Me, I gotta do this, but at least it's not like a gas station where it's dirty. It's, as you can see, the cable, it's completely clean, and there's not a lot of people. I mean, Tesla drivers, most of them, they just stay home because they can charge their cars at home. But I just want to make this quick video of letting y'all know a little thing that you need to do when you're at a supercharger. First and foremost, get some gloves. Don't touch them without a glove, or just get some alcohol wipes and make sure to wipe it off even after you use the charger, and stay in your car. Do not get out. Right now there's literally no one there, so I'm outside, but when there's somebody else, don't go talk to them. Say hi through your window, but do not get close. Just stay, and you have a Tesla, man. You have Netflix, YouTube, games, whatnot, whatever. Like, you can't even watch movies full view. I made a video about that from other websites. So stay in your car, have some snacks, and stay safe. And do not, after you use your gloves, do not leave garbage on the floor. Make sure to put it in the car, take it home, or put it in a garbage bin. But yeah, this is a quick video that I want to do. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. The weather is nice, sun is setting, and yeah, it's what day it is? I don't even know the date. Oh, it's March 27th of 2020. Moment that we will never ever forget. And yeah, that's all. Stay safe, stay positive, and keep your cars charging and stay safe. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is me, Mutershan, signing out.